Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Let's learn how to write the letter U. Capital U. Start from the top and draw a standing line down. Then curve towards the right and keep going up to reach the top. Small u. Start from the middle and draw a standing line till the bottom. Then slightly curve upwards. Again go to the middle and draw another straight line downwards with a small curve at the bottom. Now you know how to write the letter U, so try to write it properly.